Ever wondered how Ethereum, this decentralized digital powerhouse, actually works under the hood? First, a transaction is initiated. Maybe you're sending Ether or interacting with a decentralized app, also known as a dApp. This transaction gets broadcast to the entire Ethereum network. Next, special nodes, formerly miners in the proof-of-work era, now validators in the proof-of-stake era, collect these transactions. Validators stake their ETH tokens to be selected to propose and validate new blocks. These validators bundle multiple transactions into a proposed block. The validators then reach consensus on which block is valid. The current consensus mechanism for Ethereum is proof-of-stake, where validators vouch for the validity of the block through their stake. Once consensus is reached, the new block is added to the Ethereum blockchain, immutably recorded and secured. This process repeats, securing transactions and powering the decentralized applications built on Ethereum. And that's a simplified look at how the Ethereum network works.